This is Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection, and this is a 1-minute home inspection. Here we are in the crawl space of this 1962 built home. Got an old beam here, some updated vapor barrier, and nice insulation. So somewhat recently cleaned out. This is great. But we got one little issue I want to point out to you here. This is the post, kind of a post, holding up the beam. If you're close, we got lots of little tiny holes with some little powdery substance coming out. The powdery substance is called frass. It's from what's called powder post beetle. That is a wood destroying organism we have here in the state of Washington. And it can cause significant damage if it goes untreated. So what we can see here is we got lots of frass, even sitting on top of this vapor barrier that, according to the seller, was replaced in April, so which is what, 4 or 5 months ago. So this is some active powder post beetle activity. Come back on the back side here, you can kind of see some more of that going on. If you look at the end, the board there, you can see that there's quite a bit of frass getting chewed up on this piece of lumber. We are Mountains of Sound Home Inspection. One call does it all.